The Yarra is just so central to the whole city of Melbourne. 1/3 of Victorians live within the Yarra catchment. I'm Karina Watson and I'm the Operations Manager with the Yarra River Keeper Association. It's been around for 20 years. It's part of a wider waterkeeper movement, which is actually a global movement that started in the United States. Our purpose is a healthy, protected and loved Yarra Birrarung. One of the things that we do is restoration of sites along the river, and so we're here at Phillips Fox Billabong, where we've been working with the Friends of Yarra Flats. We've been working here for 3 years, so over that time we've removed weeds and been restoring the different layers of vegetation. We're on the traditional lands of the Wurundjeri Woiwurrung people. It's really important to acknowledge that traditional ownership and custodianship of this land. We're really conscious of that and wanting to work together with traditional owners in the management of the health of the river. The river's 242 kilometres long. You know, that's a big remit for a small organisation, so the way we like to operate is with the groups who are place-based. We talk about it as being a community voice for the river. We've got a terrific partnership with MCEC. We've also been involved in providing opportunities for MCEC staff to volunteer with us, and they've been doing litter cleanups and also to participate in the Birrarung River Fest. There are so many community groups up and down the river. We really encourage people to get involved in their local environmental groups and care for their patch of the river.